Another one of the defining sounds on the album is the felt piano. Tyler had all kinds of different material, from silks to scarves to kind of very thin curtains, and we would try and test all the different materials to figure out which kind of muted sound was the best for the song.
The piano tuner came over and I put this felt thing in, and you know, it's very muted and sounds awesome, but I was trying to figure out, like, do they sell thinner felt? And I thought, gosh, I'm gonna have to like get a piece of sandpaper out and start sanding other layers of felt. And then the piano tuner came over and he was like, just use like bed sheets. I was like, oh my god, I have all these tapestries I don't ready yet. So here we go.
What's the character and sound that you're going for?
Like kind of like closer to like what a guitar is like. You're muting the initial transient sharpness of the sound, so you're getting less high overtones. You're just kind of focusing it on like lower overtones. So it's like less chimey, and it's a little more deadened and thumpy sounding, and so the sustain of the like fundamentals of the notes are kind of increased relative to the overtones. So it just kind of makes it what we would usually call warmer, less open. Which for this kind of tune, this is such a resonant piano because it's so resonant and like celestial and ringy, like the combination of like having all this sustain but with all these kind of like dead thumping sounds, it's a cool vibe, I think.